For this week's discussion, I chose Walmart.com using the responsivedesignchecker.com. So this, just starting off, this is a computer screen, just a standard 23-inch. Here's the first page. Quite a bit to choose from there. And then when you go ahead and switch to an iPad, for example, it shrinks it down a bit. It narrows down the options here. Changes this so that you can scroll through rather than trying to put them all on your screen. And then switching to, I'll just say an iPhone. Once again, gets a lot smaller, narrows down the selections. So yeah, I would say Walmart has a pretty responsive web page as far as devices go. And then it offers mobile apps as well. So yeah, just switching back just to compare. This is the full screen. So yeah, I would say Walmart did a pretty good job making sure that their website is iPad and cell phone friendly.